Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you step by step how to create your own free website using Canva. Perfect for portfolios, business pages, profiles, landing pages, and more. So first you can go to the canva.com and just search for website. So you can click on the templates options and search for websites. So choose a template. So Canva has business, portfolio, and personal website layout. You can just pick one that matches your style. So for example, in here, I'm going to create my own portfolio. Let's say I'm going to use this one. So click on the templates and tap on customize the template. So once it's open, you can just customize it. You can edit the tags, change photos, adjust colors, and even drag and drop elements. So you need to add these three must-have sections. The first one is the header, who you are or what you offer. So this is the header. I'm going to change it with my own name. Let's move it first. I'm going to change it with my name and adjust these elements. Okay. And the next one is the about or product or services or your info. This one. So these are my products, and also this is the about. And the last one is call to actions like contact me or buy now. This one, reach out if you want to create impactful visual art together. For example, here is my contact, let's say, and also the emails. And step 3, you need to add buttons and links. So you can add buttons and link them to your email, social media, WhatsApp, or product pages. So just click the button. You can just click on link. For example, this one, the email. You can just right click and tap on link, this one, and then you can just paste your URL. So this will make your website interactive and useful. And here you can click on preview to see how your website looks on phone or desktop. This one is on desktop, and let's see if it's on mobile. Click on this one right here. So this is how it will look like. So if it's look good, you can just click on publish website, website, and then choose free domain by Canva. This one, click on publish. So boom, your website is now live on the internet. You can just copy your your mobile link and share it on Instagram, TikTok bio, WhatsApp, or send it to clients. You can edit anytime. The website updates instantly. Zero maintenance. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.